This article mainly introduces how to install, disassemble, and repair tires. What accidents are most likely to occur while riding a bike? Chains have fallen or broken, tires are flat or punctured, brakes are insensitive, and other problems. Among these kinds of problems, the most common problem occurs on tires. In this article, let's learn the skill how to install, disassemble, and repair tires. When do you need to replace tires? First, generally, the inner tube must be replaced when it has been repaired many times. Second, pay attention to checking the tire cover regularly. When the tire cover is damaged or the pattern wears large, we should replace it to avoid slipping. Tire disassemble. Prepare tools, tire levers, inflation tool. First, deflate the tire. After deflation, pinch the tire along the edge of the outer ring to separate the cover bead from the rim. Second, hold the tire. Insert the lever into the tire flange. Pry upward to avoid damaging the inner tube, and then place the lever on the nearest spot. Third, use another tire lever to pry out the remaining tire flange. Fourthly, take out the valve and then the inner tube. Fix the rim with one hand. Grab the tire cover with another hand. Pull the cover out from the edge of the rim and remove it. Tire installation. First, check the direction of the tire tread pattern. Make sure it is the same as the direction of riding. Second, press one side of the tire cover into the rim. Adjust the inner tube to the position of the nozzle, and then fill the inner tube with a small amount of gas. Hold up the shape. Install the nozzle in the rim. Finally, plug the inner tube into the middle of the rim and the tire cover. Third, pin the cover into the rim. Avoid cover pinching the inner tube from the nozzle position until it cannot be pinned in with hands. Fourthly, press the side of the cover that cannot fit into the rim groove with hands, and use a tire lever to clamp it between the rim and the cover. Lever it outward to press it into the rim groove. Fifth, inflate air into the inner tube and check to make sure it is not pinched. Check whether the cover is in the center of the rim. If not, pull the cover by hand and adjust the position. Sixth, notes: disassemble and assemble the tubeless tires. Please directly use hand rather than tire levers. Tools may damage the tire, which is not recommended. Repair tires. Tubeless tires. Pour repair fluid into the tire before riding. If the tire is punctured while riding, the repair fluid will automatically bond the tire to the punctured object, slowing down air leakage. Pull out the punctured object, turn the wheel, and the repair fluid will automatically bond the tire to the punctured object, slowing down air leakage. Pull out the punctured object, turn the wheel, and the repair fluid will automatically repair the tire puncture again. Tool tires. Tools: repair toolkit, tire levers, air pipe. First, remove inner tube. Second, inflate the inner tube and place it in the water to find the leaked location. Press the tire and bubbles will appear at the leaked location. Third, deflate the air and use sandpaper or metal sheets to polish the leaked part to make it rough. The polishing area should be larger than the tire patch. Fourthly, clean the polished area. Apply special glue and wait for it to dry. Be careful not to get the glue on your fingers. A glue-free tire patch can be applied directly. Just press it evenly. Fifth, place the tire patch on the area that needs to be repaired. Press hard to ensure the tire patch is completely attached to the inner tube. Wait a few minutes and inflate the inner tube. Sixth, check whether there are still puncture residues in the cover and whether the inner tire continues to leak. Seventh, assemble the tire.